Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to get notified when your Android phone battery is fully charged. You can get one alarm to notify you that your battery was 100% charged. So for this guys, you need to install one third-party app on your phone. So just open the Google Play Store and here you need to search full battery charge alarm. So this application you need to download and install it on your phone. After download and install, very simple to use. Just open this app. You can get this type of interface. You can get your battery capacity, battery health, temperature, everything. Okay, so go to the settings and here you can get the option to customize your alarm setting for 100% battery level. So tap on full battery alarm level like this and here you need to select 100%. okay, now if you want to set low battery warning level, so just select that low battery warning level settings and it will ask you to select the battery level. So I have selected 5%. When my battery is low up to 5%, so it will notify me by ringing one alarm. Okay, so you can also able to change the alarm ringtone volume as per your choice. Okay, so this is the very useful application to notify your battery level on your Android phones. Okay, so that's for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.